First up, the top 5 creepy crawly critters that crawled their way into the judges' hearts. Starting off at number 5, Jasmine elevates ooze to a whole new level for the Sublime Slime Challenge.
I pour in the blueberry compote and go ahead and stick on my circle rounds of Genoa. And for my twist, I'm making a blueberry gummy tick kind of slug thing, creepy little eye. I want the slug to be sliming its way through the plate, climbing up onto the bombe.
Disturbing. I love it.
I mean, this is so grotesque chic. You took what is a fine dining dessert presentation and were able to turn it into Halloween.
I'm getting ooze.
At number 4, Tyler spins a sweet web when he transforms a phobia into a dessert.
Now I have to start on making my spiders. I temper chocolate, I pour the caramel sauce inside of the bag, and pour another layer of chocolate ganache on top. This will ensure that my caramel won't seep out of my spider bags. Cool. I put my spaghetti on it to make the nest.
Dude, this looks like spaghetti and meatballs with a bug flopping on top of it.
Spaghetti and meat bugs.
And then inside this delicious pool of caramel.
Yeah, now it's a spider autopsy. Slithering snakes are Jonathan's answer to the phobia challenge, landing him at number 3.
Just how a snake would constrict something, it's gonna constrict my dessert. I'm making a tres leches cheesecake. So it's gonna be a round cake and the snake will wrap around to the top. I get the ingredients for my snakes, which is fondant and marzipan. We're making snakes, and airbrush it with green. I go back over the snake with a little bit of red. Time to bring out the snakes. Add the tongue and I'm done.
Snakes on a dessert.
Yes.
It's fantastic.
Thank you.
You've got the textures, you've got the colors, you've got the tongue coming out. I love it.
Thank you.
Your tres leches was muy rico. Ay!
Jessica scurries into the number 2 spot with a rodent that doesn't put my fears to rest.
So what I'm gonna be making is a almond and passion fruit tart that is gonna be topped with a meringue for my rat to just be crawling right over. Now, of course, I have to hype a really gross rat. Now it's time to add those beady eyes. Ugh. I'm adding lots of eyes with really angry faces. And what's better than a rat on a sidewalk but that eerie feeling that you're being watched?
Waiter, there's a rat in my dessert, and it's delicious.
This is a dessert I would be happy to bring to a Halloween party.
It is fantastic.
But nothing beats Ray's take on the phobia challenge. Coming in at number 1, an ultra-life-like insect that deserves the creepy crawly crown.
Cockroaches. Back home, like, they'd get that big, and, like, my dad would just, like, smash them with his hands, and it was, like, the nastiest thing ever.
You squish them, and you hear, like, those bones cracking and, like, sound. I take my cookie crunch texture filling, and it's like making a little empanada to form a nice little body. I take yellow gel color and brown gel color, and it's just like, oh.
You have thoroughly grossed me out.
Cockroach looks very, very lifelike. I love the way you've done the colors.
No me gusta las cucarachas, all right? But this one I love.